Hi, Peter. Good afternoon. It's Rob from Hercules Workshop. I just wanted to show you quickly just a little thing I had found. I was going to take a quick look this afternoon at your machine. It's still the holidays, but I had some time, and I wanted to show you. You had mentioned how the carriage was loose, so it's moving around quite a bit. And it's just that I found that it's actually cracked on the frame here, and I'll try and show you. Okay, let me get that in there. Some light down there for you. And so you can see that moving there. That should be attached. That's one piece. It's supposed to be one piece. So you can see there should be no daylight in between there. That's just cracked there. So that's what's causing that. And the other thing I'd noticed, it sounds like a dumb thing, but it does affect the operation of the typewriter. There's the feeder missing. So what happens is the armature, like for the space bar, it's hitting the surface that the typewriter is sitting on, because these feet are missing, which would usually raise it up high enough so that armature is not hitting the ground. Anyway, it's just a quick thing I found, and I'll send you another update once I look more at it and figure out what we're going to do with that crack in the frame and the feet. I might have some feet in the spare parts box. Okay, Peter? I'll talk to you later. Bye.